ஒரே ஒரு 5 லிட்டர் இதய மந்த்ரா கடல் எண்ணெய் பேக் ஒரு மாசம் முழுசுக்கும் அத்தனை சமையல முடிச்சு விடலாம். இதய மந்த்ரா.
Any person who is in the house to maintain discipline and decorum by the order of the chair is a marshal. He is not any member of any paramilitary forces. He is considered to be a marshal and that is why he is here. तकलीफ इनको इस बात की है कि इन्होंने डिसिप्लिन को जब लागू आपने किया तो इनको जो एनार्किज्म करने का छूट थी उसको आपने रोक लगाया. उसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं. और साथ ही जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस आपने दी हैं वो ऑब्जर्वेशंस बहुत सही हैं, हिस्टोरिकल हैं, रेफरेंस के काम आएंगी और आगे वो रेफरेंस पॉइंट बनेंगे, ऐसा मेरा मानना है.
माननीय सदस्यगण, कास्टिंग एस्पिरेशन ऑन चेयर विल नॉट गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड एज पर रूल्स. तिरुचि जी, हाँ आप अपने सीट पे गो बैक टू योर सीट्स. तिरुचि जी विल स्पीक, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Sir, first of all, sir, I humbly request you to give a patient hearing. For more than half an hour, you have made some observations which have gone on record and to the people. This is the Council of States. Different political parties are here. We should also be heard, sir. When an issue has come up, at least a point of order must be accorded. Leader of opposition spoke. The leader of house also spoke. He said that he has got democratic right. We too have democratic right. Sir, so we must be also
that I have given to you.
Sir, whatever observations you have made, we have got our reservation. That's entirely different. What the leader of opposition gave a letter was that the other day you call the leader of the house very rightly said they are considered to be marshals. They are not the dedicated security forces of the parliament who were here earlier. They have all been out. These are some other forces which are now named as marshals. That is different, sir. Sir, let me remind you. You said the rules of this house was laid down by the great Vittal Bhai Patel.
No, not rules, sir. I told this marshal and security service was started by.
Sir, I would like to recall, sir. Vittal Bhai Patel was the chairperson of this house once. In the Central Legislative Assembly,
yes.
The day after Bhagat Singh threw the bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly, the next day, the security forces trooped in. He said, who allowed you to govern? He told the home minister, then the called home member, either you send them or you go out. That is what he has laid down, Vittal Bhai Patel. Sir, let me tell, sir. Yes. As leader of the house very rightly said, Mr. Arun Jaitley, who has been the leader of the house, the leader of the opposition, part and parcel of democracy is disruption of the parliament. When I said, give me a patient here. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Why the opposition parties are agitating, sir? We are asking for a discussion. Maybe on any issue. The ruling party should come to the chamber in a BAC or something. They should also say we are prepared for a discussion. The parliament is meant for debate, deliberation and decision. Whereas there is no debate means we are insisting for a debate. So when we are raising our voice, we are being interpreted outside that the opposition parties are disrupting the house.
Thank you.
And that time, sir, why those people should make a CGI? Why should they group into really an indignity to the members of parliament? We consider it as an insult, sir. Why you should be treated? He has never attempted to do anything out of the way. Undemocratic. Why you treated like that, sir? Who allowed them to come inside? Sir, you are the authority of the house. Mr. Chairman. No. You are the authority. Whose permission they came here? Did you order for them to come into the hall of the house? Did they troop into the house?
No, at 2 p.m. It's not.